Clean my tongue. It's very good for the mouth holder. I'm going to take my bath and then I'll be back later to wash my face, properly skincare routine this morning. So I'm going to show you guys my body like my body wash and also my body cloche. So this is my body wash. Also this is my body cloche. I love this both to use it every day. Like I use this my body cloche every day, not too much harsh, so light. And this is my soap I use. So I have some kind of skin that I don't even understand it. Sometimes the skin will give me some reaction. Guys, look, can you see it? This I see one necklace like this for Shein, and I decided to buy the necklace and see what happened to my neck. Can you see it? So I just removed the necklace immediately, but I still have the, can see it's very clash me sometimes. Anyway, that one is going to be another day story. So I'm going to take my bath, then I'll be later. Okay, see you back later. If you want to follow marriage woman at the bath, it will spoil. Cleans up. Guys, my face decided to dry this winter, so that is why I'm double. Granny. You guys are wearing lashes every day. How you people do it too? Because okay, I have inside gluten. This will look where they corner for Messi. No. Yes, we have. Nothing. No, I have to put it. Guys, I have to put it. Capiche? Come here, man. Check your head. Let's start going. The weather is so crazy. We have to work out today with umbrella. Then we see the gist the same time. Let me put my earpiece. I can't see without my earpiece because it make the road short for me. Hey guys, I'm back from work. Today I closed 2:30. Okay, whole this week I close to 30 whole this week, guys. So guys, now we'll be on bus. Those things there. I come house to meet. Okay, I actually make some orders online, which is perfume with some body spray and one or two things again. So guys, we are going to unbox those things there. Then after finishing unbox those things, then we'll be going to leave with them to go and make our monthly food store shopping, which is I'm going to show you guys everything we buy. And also today I'm going to change one or two things here. My teeth is spinning me, guys. My teeth is spinning me so bad. I come back this afternoon, my teeth is spinning me and cold. Oh my goodness, guys, there's cold out there. There's cold. And at the same time, guys, I'm going to apologize to you guys. All these days I'm just back of content. Let me say back of content. It's not easy, like as a content creator. I can't count how many videos, like oh yeah, don't know. I don't take oil. Ah, you don't take oil? Let me take my this. Now this thing they finish quick, eh? They finish quick. I have a curry. I'm still looking for rosemary. I'm looking for them. going to take two time. Yeah. We are back from Lidl, and I'm going to show you guys what we buy today from Lidl. And the same time, we are going to pack all those things, and I'm going to tell you guys also how much we spend as a family of six living here in Italy. The way everything starts high now, I don't even understand prices of things now in Lidl. Like seriously, are we going to survive like this? Well, anyway, let me show you guys the things I brought today from Lidl. Okay, so every amount we spend today, actually, we want to spend like 300 euro today, and then we end up spend 420 euro, which is I'm going to show you guys the receipt how much we spend today. Okay, so we are going to pack all these guys. So the same time I see some hair fire from Lidl. Is it hair fire? Yes, I see it from Lidl. Then I decided to give it a try. Okay, actually I have one like this at home, but it's not working, and I buy it is 3 months ago, and this decided to stop working, and I still buy another one again in Miss Pharaoh, and the same thing. I don't know what is problem. I don't even want it, like I don't know properly. I don't know what is the problem. So I decided to give it a try. This one I see from Lidl today. Okay, so how about we pack all these, then you will join me on boss the new hair fryer. What is it now? So guys, the same time I'm going to apologize to you. I'm back for content, okay? Like all this why I'm just back like 2 weeks now, no content, guys. I'm come to choose you guys. I'm coming, relax. So the reason why 2 weeks now, no content, guys, I decided to go back in company job, okay? I decided to go back in company work because the cleaning job, the salary is so low, and imagine how much we spend today in Lidl, and we are still to pay. We are still going to pay mortgage for everything we hold. Okay, but imagine me going to cleaning job just like 400 euro, 300 euro. We are not going to survive there. So definitely, you're gonna have to go to company job, which is fabrica work. And by grace of God, I already systemized myself this week. I already put the kit order, I already put my house order, I already position many things that everything is going to be easy way for me. Then finally, I'm back for content. So what? That flash I'm going to say.
It is true.
This is first and second and third. So, guys, you can see how much. You can see what 420 euro can buy in Lidl for family of the six for just 1 month. 420 euro for 1 month.
It's not up to 1 month. I wish I go make space.
It's not even up to 1 month. I was maybe sometime maybe I need to go and fix butter. I need to go and fix. This is my new hair fire, guys. It's very big past the previous one I have, and I'm going to show you guys. This is how do you see it? Do you like it? And also this is my fridge, my freezer.
Okay, guys, my nose is blocked. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope you like today's vlog. If you like it, let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to like this video, okay? Also don't forget to drop me your encouragement over comment section there, okay? Any opinion, be free to drop it, as I will say. So guys, we come end of today's video. Actually, I'm overtired today. Rain, like I don't even understand, guys. I have to use my leg go to work first, then after I close, my husband will come to pick me up, then we go to shopping, okay? Because like tomorrow is 1st of November and we just want to start our new month just like that, buy those things that we need at home, and also those things that we need to change, all those kind of things. Guys, we changed many things yesterday. For my husband car side, let me say one of his colleague yesterday come house, which is his mechanic, and he tried to look the car and he tried to do one or two things there. Then the car start working for the moment, but we are still looking for another car because we don't want to get disappointment for that minute. So guys, this is how my day go today, and yeah, let's see you tomorrow morning, and bye for now. What do you want, baby? Water. You want water? Franklin, give your brother water. Thank you. I knew that three was something that I testify with you. I thought that you that bitch I do it. Kidnap me